What's up, guys? Welcome to Bobby Lindsay's channel 2. Good morning. We're going to do the wake and bake now. Oh yeah, let's do it. This is strawberry cough, sativa dominant hybrid THC cannabis marijuana smoke review. We'll put it in the grinder and let's go. Break that fucking stem off there. Throw that shit in the trash. No one wants it. Now the bud. Hell yes. Grass out here, you hear that shit? Chill out. Alright, let's go. Now I'll be right back. And here we are. Strawberry cough, sativa dominant hybrid, THC, cannabis marijuana, smoke review. Good morning, homies. Yeah. Yeah, we get hot shit. Then we're gonna go do a live stream gameplay coming up. 3, 2. Yeah. Now, like I'm lawnmower, man, and that damn dog too. Let's go. We'll open this here, get the fucking party started. Yeah. Alright. Oh yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Wow. Strawberry cough. And it will do what it says. It will make your ass cough. God damn, you took up, man. Shit. Toe. Damn. Alright. Wow. Man, that was the last bit there. It's on here. Cashed out. Woo! Good morning, wake and bake. That was strawberry cough, sativa dominant hybrid, THC, cannabis marijuana smoke review. Good morning, wake and bake. Subscribe for more smoke videos creeping up on your YouTube screen. We'll have that live stream gameplay coming up. Be in tune.